Hello everyone. So while this lockdown we all must be craving about some hotel wala food, hotel wala khana. So today I have got hotel wala khana, which is Paneer Butter Masala. The very auspicious food that Punjabis claim that belongs to them, but it belongs to entire India. So first of all, I'll take you across through the ingredients. So the base we want is paneer, जिसके बिना कुछ भी नहीं. Butter, the base for butter paneer masala. Cream, kasturi methi, sliced onion, sliced tomatoes, garam masala, red chilli powder, dried spices and cinnamon stick, some cloves. We have dried red chilli also, coriander leaves, and we have coriander powder, turmeric masala and salt. So first we'll preheat the pan, then we'll fry some dried cumin seeds along with dried chili and the cinnamon stick and cloves as well. So fry until light brown. So after when you're done with frying the dried spices, it's time to put butter. So now I'll be putting onions. Fry until it turns light brown. Don't need to turn it to red. The fastest way to fry things, put some salt. So as I said, onion has turned light brown, so it's time to put garlic, sliced garlic, along with the ginger, so we'll stir fry this for at least 5-6 minutes. Then we'll put some tomatoes. We'll put some butter as well, seems dry. So now I'll be putting some sliced tomatoes. I would suggest don't put more chilies, otherwise it will turn into spicy. But butter paneer masala should be sweet. So I would suggest stir fry the tomatoes for at least 5 minutes. Along with start putting spices as well. So don't put much of the turmeric, otherwise it will turn into red, and butter paneer masala should be red. This is coriander masala, garam masala, red chilli powder. That's all. A bit of sugar. Stir fry this. So our veggies has turned mushy. It's time to let it cool down. The purpose for cooling it, so we'll be making Makhni gravy. Makhni gravy, which is the base for Paneer Butter Masala. You can see we have blended the mixture, so it should be a bit of thicky. Now we'll put this in oven. So now we have put the blended mixture in the pan. We'll stir this for some time. While gravy preparation, it's time to put some kasturi methi. It will add some aroma. Then we'll put some paneer. now it's time to add cream. Finally, our butter paneer is ready. Let's have it.